Hello everybody, my name is Xiao Hong Chong, go by the name of Johnny. This is for fall 2020 of the Harvard Extension School in a class called Introduction to Programming taught by Dr. Jeff Parker. The thesis of my project is to apply TF-IDF transformation into Jeff Bezos' shareholder letters from 1998 to 2019. The inspiration for this project is twofold. One is to see is customer obsession a consistent theme for Jeff Bezos, and then second is to see the relevant issues concerning Amazon during those specific years. Now let's get into the specifics of my code. First, I imported an LTK, and then I import a count factorizer and a TF-IDF transformer, and then I import a SciPy to be able to deal with a sparse matrix. I do have to say sparse matrix was a challenge I did not anticipate, but fortunately I did learn it, and then I was able to find some resources online to help me basically sort and extract top features within the sparse matrix. And then finally, I do want to give a note that I did not use any stimmers because when I used the snowball stimmer or the Porter stimmers, keywords such as like customers come out to be custom, which was kind of weird. Now, let's move on and to see the specific from our projects. I first imported the letters and then put it in a data frame, and then I text processes to clean out the punctuations and numbers, and then clean out the stop words. And then I define functions to sort and extract top features from my sparse matrix. And then here I define a function that applies TF-IDF transformation, and then I apply that, and I use it to apply to all the years. And just to see what it looks like for year 2019, seems like COVID is on top of Jeff Bezos' mind, and with a TF-IDF score of a 0.278, and I will get to what this means in a minute. And then I also define a function that basically will give us a graphical representation for the keywords within a range of years. And then I also define a function that will give me the frequency of the keywords was mentioned within the range of years. And then finally, I wrap those two functions under keyword examiner frequency. So here's what it looks like this far for 2000 to 2010, the top 5 keywords. And right now it seems like earnings has the most score, the TF-IDF score. Now what this means is the higher the score means the more rarity of the words across the entire corpus, which in this case is across all the shareholder letters. So this is a really strong keyword. And in 2004, it means that Amazon was very concerned about earnings. And then here kind of answers my first part of the question that customers has been very consistent keyword for Jeff Bezos across time. Now for this function, let's just say if I wanted to see 1998 to 2019, and then 2019 and say top 2 keywords. Again, now we get to see what are the top 2 keywords from 1990 to 2019. And again, you can see that customers is actually a very consistent theme for Jeff Bezos. Now, after having done my project, that I actually project creeped a little bit because I found another library called Spacey that's basically slightly more powerful than NLTK, and then that allows me to use the relevant keywords I was able to extract, and then use that to extract sentences where it has those keywords. Now let's move on to see how the extension of how my project works. Now, I want to get into the specific how I implemented Spacey. Going down to this cell, basically here it shows that at least for Amazon for 10, which means 2008, that I was able to extract sentences that has a mention of Kindle in it or delivery. Now, I do want to say that the end product of my project is a data frame, Amazon letters, that basically has letters and then the raw letters, and then here's the keywords for those specific year, and this is the context for the sentences that have those keywords. Now, I do want to address maybe 2 limitations in my project. One is I'm limited by NLTK stop words. That maybe those stop words are not, maybe I can improve on those stop words a little bit more. And then second, another limitation with this project is I feel like maybe the next step is to do sentiment analysis to see how these keywords matters when it comes to Jeff Bezos' annual shareholder letters. And thank you very much. This concludes my project, and I hope you all enjoyed it.